Hi, I'm Christine, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing first cut of my Ipsy for September. So Ipsy's a $10 a month subscription for beauty and makeup products, although I believe that price is going up. You'll have to go to their website to find out by how much. So the bag this month is absolutely adorable. I saw previews online. It's zodiac constellations, but the cutest is the little crystal puller. I don't know how well this will work over time, but dang, it's cute. All right, so first up, we have a little paper thing I never read. Excellent. Still not gonna read it, cool. All right, so I recently changed my preferences to be a lot more skincare, and I definitely already see that they are listening. So my first item is the Murad Hydrating Intense Hydrodynamic Moisturizer. So, classic. So here's the package size. Here is the sample size. It's still probably enough. If this is an ultra moisturizer, it's still probably enough to tell whether I like the product or not, but they really didn't need to give me that much packaging. All right, I'm excited to try it. Next up, we have more skincare. Exactly what I wanted. So this is an eye gel by 111 Skin. I bet it's also a bit smaller than this box, but it feels like it's got some weight to it. Oh, this is a very decent size for an eye lift or eye cream. Gel Contour de Yeux. I'm excited to try that. I don't sleep. Instead, I use beauty products. Next, we get into some makeup. So the next item is the Beauty Crop, which is a brand I've had before and I reviewed highly, so they listened and gave me more. Before I had a bronzer. This is definitely an eyeshadow in the color Sarin, and it is gorgeous. I am going to love using this. Very happy with purples. Next, we have a lip product. So this is Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Oh My Rai Rai. It's not quite picking up on the camera the way it looks in real life, but actually, crap. I'm gonna go back and swatch this so we can see a little bit of color of these products that I'm getting. So we'll just do a little bit on the wrist. That's not very pigmented at all. I was expecting that to be way brighter. All right, so that is the eye product. And now with a different finger, I'm gonna do the lip product. So this is the liquid lip. Oh, wow. Okay. That is surprisingly matchy, but you can see that the color on my skin is far more dramatic than what it looks like in the tube. So I am very pale, can you tell? But this is gonna be a very dramatic lip. Maybe I'll wear it tonight. Next up, ooh, one more cosmetic item. This is Smashbox's foundation, their Studio Wear. Ooh, it's not gonna focus. Their Studio Wear in shade 1.05. Gotta love the brand colors. So let's see how this looks on me. It doesn't have an inner seal, which is kind of, I'm sure no one got to it. So let's give it a little. Surprisingly runny, but I like Smashbox as a brand, so I'm sure. Okay, it thickened up a little. It just had a little bit of excess liquid on the nozzle. So it looks like it will be a good match for my complexion, but it is a little bit yellow. Let's see if we can get that light. Yeah, that might be a little bit yellow for my undertones, but I can always use it blended with a foundation that matches me a little better. So overall, I would say of these products, 4 out of 5, I'm a little worried about the foundation color, but 4 out of 5 are things I'm really excited to try. I'm excited to try the Smashbox. I just don't think it's quite right for my very, very pink skin. And the surprise winner, until I try the under eye cream, is definitely the lipstick. I'm very excited to rock that shade. I think it'll work very well. Anyway, I hope this was helpful, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.